I'm back with the final product. The bike is all done, the rider's on, packed up and ready for the highway. Everything went together pretty well, except as I said before, I had trouble with the decals. The one pinstripe for the other side of the gas tank broke up quite a few pieces, and it didn't work. And I had to cut out the decals for the tachometer, as the one for the speedometer broke, but I was able to make a picture of it and put it on. Other than that, everything followed the instructions, everything went together pretty well. I did have some help from another YouTube video, YouTube supporter that built the Virago, building on a budget. I'll put a link below. If you're building this and you want some assistance, just check out his video. And so here we go, rider's on, and it's kind of rare, I guess, to find this kit with the rider figure. So I'm glad I had that. It just kind of added to the build, to the look as well, and came out quite well. Had a little trouble with the paint, but a lot of the issues were my own error. So a lot of detail on this bike, came out looking pretty nice. So thanks for watching. Figure out what I'm going to build next, so stay tuned, and we'll see you again soon.